Over the next few presentations or my videos, I'll be looking at Abacus, which is a finite element method analysis program. My first few videos will be on finite element analysis of a concrete retaining wall sitting or embedded in two different soils. So yeah, open the program and select standard or explicit dynamic analysis. Then I open my database and I select my previously created file named finite element analysis of retaining walls. Press OK. These are parts that I've created. This is my cantilevered reinforced concrete wall, and that's my first part. And then I'll open my second part, which is actually this is a good feature. I'll show you this feature. So if I go to my parts and I go to my part one, it shows exactly what I've created. So in this instance, my first part, which is a part one, should name it really differently. It's a 2D deformable cantilevered retaining wall. And then my second part, which I've created within the same file, is my representation of my soil. So you can zoom in and out, and looking at where my cursor is, that's where I'm going to embed the wall, and that's going to be retaining it. And this is two forms of soils which I'll represent in this, and I'll start to associate properties to them. But as an introduction, this is me setting up my geometry for analysis. The next bit, my next video, will be assigning material properties to these two different elements, and then combining them to start my analysis, and then add constraints and boundary conditions, etc., etc. So stick around and we'll work through this together.